How's it going, everybody? Today we're going to be taking a room tour of Hello Lodge number 3. We got a room on the top floor to go through. It's room 702. This is Hello 1 over here. It's in a previous video. I'll put a link in the description below. But let's go check this room out. All right, here we are at room 702. I got the card key. Come on. And there we go. Let's head on in. All right, we're in the room. We can see right here, you've placed this on the outside of your door for room cleaning and bed making. And these are the schedule for that. Then you enter here, you place your shoes. Please don't trip on that. Everybody seems to. You get an umbrella with your room also. You can see shoes and more storage. We have a lot of closet space here. And then when you come in, it's a mirror of myself, which is also more storage. You can see there's towels. That one opens like that. More towels. Light bulb. You know, light bulbs can go out. And we're going to come over here, go directly into the bathroom. You see, we have a standardized toilet with the little sink on top. And then over here, you have all your controls. You can see they put them a couple in English. Yeah, you know, water squirt. I'm not sure what these buttons do, so Google Translate would be awesome. And then items, please do not flush. Then we come out of the bathroom into the other bathroom, I guess you would say, where the tub is. You can see you got a free handed shower head, and you can actually just shower right here on the floor. Just make sure the door is closed, and then you can see you can adjust your temperature and your flow rate. And there's kind of like a reflective glass mirror there. And then the tub is a decent size. It's better than the one in my room right now. Exiting where the tub is, and you can see over here you got some laundry soap and then a washer dryer. It's a combo washer and dryer. This one here has cold water and hot water. Mine only has cold water, so some rooms in Japan are like that. You got a sink that it literally, like, you could get in there. That's a pretty large sink with some storage, and you can see a hair dryer and more slippers and spare toilet paper, and then more counter space. Now we're coming out of the bathroom area. You can see there's a door here, so if you have like your laundry machine or got something going, you can silence it that way. We're gonna go right into the kitchen, and right off you have your throwing fire extinguisher. So in case of fire, you throw that. It's supposed to help with the fire. Then you have your microwave, which says do not use when it's empty. It like has instructions. Down here you have your oven, because over here you have a fish fryer oven. I'll pull that out. And a gas stovetop, overhead fan with really decorative plates. Fridge. Oh, and there's some food in there. As you can see, standard fridge there. And a really big sink too, like, which goes into the living room, which is next. Coming out of the kitchen, you can see the lamp overhead is really nicely decorative. The wallpaper, everything in here looks really good. You have a rolling table with some trays for your food. And then we enter the living room area, which has a bench style dinner eating area. And this really cool desk, like a lot of space here. And a really comfortable chair. If this chair could recline, I'd probably pass out in it all the time. This is so comfortable. There's a lot of padding in it. And then plenty of space for like laptop, computer, all the rules and everything on how to use a phone, contact it in case of emergency, the temperature gauges here. As you can see, we have outlets here. No 3-prong. They provide you with this, which has a 3-prong on it, but there's no grounding points anywhere. I've not been able to find one. TV, cable, and then over here you have your LAN in case you want to do the good old Ethernet cable there. Phones right here. Let's continue on. They provide a fairly large TV. You know, is that 65? That looks like a 65. Also, here's your Apple TV comes with the room on the VPN, and then the Wi-Fi passwords on the router. DVD player. Then they have this cool footrest, which you can put your jackets in on this little couch. Not the most comfortable, but it's there. But it has a lot of storage. And And then over here, like I was saying about your thermometer for your temperature in your room, 30 Celsius. That's a bit warm. But yeah, that's your heating source up there. We'll go outside in a second. This is something I don't have. It's called a tatami room, and it's where I throw parties. Sorry about my horrible dancing skills. I'll fix that later. So yeah, it's a really nice room, and it has sliders in the wall here, so you can close it off. There's multiple. I'm just bringing out the one. And then we go right into the bedroom here, as you can see. Costco card, what's up? Love Costco. Costco Japan, don't forget to check out that video. I made one. And the bed is rock hard like every other bed in Japan. But not horrible. As you can see, we're all packed up to head home. And humidifier and dehumidifiers in most rooms, and then another heater up there. Now let's go outside. All right, let's head outside. As you can see, it's very bright out today, but the view from up here is so good. As you can see right there, we have the famous Honcho. I can't say the proper name for that place, but yeah, bars, restaurant. You can see everything from up here, and that's a really good view. Also, to the left, we have Hello number 4, and then next to us is Hello number 1. And then, of course, there's a 7-Eleven right outside there. And Yokolicious, which has really good chicken. But from this balcony, it's not a bad view. There's these little divider walls between like the room next door and this room. And you can see here, in case of emergency, you break this wall and escape to the next door. Then in the floor, they have like escape hatches. And then over here, there's the two air conditioned / heaters in the way. So if you want to go into the bedroom and come on this part here, so you can see that side. So that's going to be it from Hello Lodge number 3. That's the room tour of the, I would call it a penthouse suite on the top floor. Floor number 7, room 702. Very cool. The tatami room is very awesome. Like I said, I'll work on my dancing skills. And then all of these great things, of course. The chair of relaxation. So thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit that like button. Of course, subscribe to the channel. I love the support. It's free to do, and we're still exploring Japan and doing room tours. So thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.